So this is how to add numbered lists on Apple Notes. Now the manual way to do it is to press the Notes app right here, type the number 1, press the dot, then press or enter or the space bar, and then you can create your list this way. So if you wanted to like list cities in Canada, you can go with like Vancouver, Edmonton, Calgary, Winnipeg, Toronto. You guys get the point. Now, if you want this to look a little cleaner or you want it to be more automated, not do this, you can just go ahead and do the exact same thing. Press on it, press this capital A and the lowercase a. Then in the bottom left, there's a bunch of different options. Go ahead and see where it says 1, 2, 3, and it does the exact same thing. So if you were to go Calgary, Montreal, Saskatoon, etc., you can list it so it works the exact same way. But that is how to add numbered lists on Apple Notes. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.